Hi all, it's an easy question. I'll classify this question as a easy GMAT geometry problem solving practice question, a 600 level question, concept tested, area of circles, right. Let's run through the question, should be able to crack it in about a minute or a minute and a quarter in the examination. The length of a rope to which a cow is tied is increased from 19 meters to 30 meters. How much additional ground will it be able to graze right now? Assume that the cow is able to move on all sides with equal ease, right. So, there is a place where the rope is tethered to the ground or to a post. Now, this is the length of the rope, right. It could be 19 initially, 30 later, let just take some length, it really does not matter what it is. So, the shape of the land, the shape of the field that the cow will be able to graze is essentially going to be a circle. Initially, the length of that rope was 19 meters, the radius of the circle initially was 19 meters. Now, the length of the rope has increased to 30 meters. So, we are going to talk about a larger circle because the radius of the circle has increased to 30 meters. The question is, how much additional area will it be able to graze? So, initially this is the place where it was tied, the circular area that it could graze was basically the inner circle. Now, it is able to graze an area which is the area of the outer circle. So, how much extra area is it able to graze? That is basically the shape of the area of this ring, right. So, this is the extra area that it will be able to graze right now. How do we find out the area of the ring? It is essentially the area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. Area of the circle formula is pi r square. They have said take pi to be equal to 22 upon 7. So, outer circle area or area that we are interested in is outer circle area minus the area of the inner circle. Area of the outer circle is pi into its radius is 30 square minus the area of the inner circle which is pi into 19 square. Take pi common, so the required area will essentially be pi into 30 square minus 19 square. Let us write this pi as a 22 upon 7, that becomes 22 divided by 7. This number is of the form a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. So, that would be 30 plus 19 times 30 minus 19. Let us take the calculation to the next slide. So, 22 upon 7 times 30 plus 19 is a 49, 30 minus 19 is 11. 7 cancels with 49 to leave us with a 7. So, what do we have here? We have a 22 times 7 times 11 is a 77, which is 77 times 20 plus 77 times 2. 77 times 2 is a 154. 77 times 20 is a 1540. 1540 plus 154 is equal to 1694. The unit we have is meter. So, the extra area is going to be in meter square, right. So, this is all that is there to this question. Figuring out that we are trying to look at the area of a circle for each of the different radii, and the extra area is going to be the area of the ring is what it takes to solve this question. Best wishes for a GMAT preparation.